Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has now reacted to the micro support area we talked about in yesterday's video. I highlighted to you that a bounce from this area is likely either way, even in our white, let's say more bearish scenario. The support area was defined between 32.5 cents and 34.2 cents. We've seen a noticeable reaction to it now, and I'm labeling this wave A of 2 at the moment, okay? So the A wave of a wave 2 corrective rally after we've seen a possible 5-wave move down from the Friday high, and I expect the white scenario to follow through or to play out until the price breaks above 39.7 cents. So at the moment, I'm watching for a possible rally from support into resistance. Again, it's not necessarily a target. The resistance area for a wave 2 technically starts already a little lower at the 38.2 retracement, but I want to keep it tidy as well. So it doesn't necessarily need to max it out. It doesn't necessarily need to reach the 61.8 retracement. Important is now in the white scenario that the price stays below 39.7 cents. Now it will depend to a degree on Bitcoin, of course, but we have some clear levels to watch. So any break above 39.7 cents would open the door further to the yellow scenario. Remember, the yellow count is still valid, but I would need to see all 5 waves that reach 56 cents to confirm that a larger wave 2 bottomed on the 5th of August, as shown here with a question mark at that low on the 5th of August. Wave 2 low in place, possible, needs to do more to confirm it. So I've seen a wave 1 up, I've seen a wave 2 down. That is speculative, more than speculative actually, because the wave 1 is an ABC structure. So the wave 3 would have to be an ABC structure where the A wave is a 3-wave move itself. Then we had this B wave pullback, but it looks actually a little bit more like a 5-wave move down. But yeah, either way, as long as we're holding 32.5 cents, the yellow count has a chance, but it's more like we have very unclear probabilities until we finally see a first 5-wave move up that reaches 56 cents. And that would be a first step that will open the door to the major rally a lot of people are waiting for, that could actually take us to, $2, $3, maybe even $4 plus. But, we're not there yet, okay? We're only maybe halfway through the yellow 5-wave pattern, and that's often when these charts fail and the rally is corrective throughout. So I'm taking the perspective that the white count seems to be leading at the moment, and that will be my view as long as the price holds below resistance, because white wave 2, which is probably going to form, and I'll zoom in a little bit, here an ABC structure, yeah? A wave up, B wave down, C wave up, should stay below 39.7 cents. We know that a wave 2 correction shouldn't really, or corrective rally, shouldn't really move above the 78.6 retracement. And then a 3rd wave down can happen from there. Important also to note that the next pullback could be a B wave before that C wave rally starts. Yeah, so A, B, C. But again, this is just micro counting. Just give you the key levels here. We're squeezed again between support and resistance. And it looks to me as if the price might start that wave 2 from here. It has started already. Now, that means if we go into the resistance area, it will put ADA at risk of dropping in a 3rd wave next. And that might take us to actually the area below the August low. So that's something to watch, obviously. And then the overall bullish assumption will be invalidated below 22 cents. But we are still far away from that. Nevertheless, it can happen very quickly, especially if the price breaks down in the 3rd wave. So be ready for it. All I can say, the movements to the upside haven't been convincing, only in 3 waves. Of course, there is a bullish scenario, but it needs to prove itself. First of all, by a break above resistance, 39.7 cents, and through a 5-wave pattern to the upside that reaches 56 cents or higher. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.